So this is very brief. You can see is it a message or a comment, how you call it? But it was a reaction on my link. My daughter, can you do this and this? You guys, it's easy to start making money online, but it will depend on your mindset. It will depend on your zeal. It will depend on your goal. They say what you want to fight against determines what you're running away from. If I'm running away from poverty, I'll fight against it. So making money online, I've been speaking about it for now 5 years. And most of you have seen my videos making money. I have seen my campaigns. I've even gone to the extent of seeing the conferences, but some of you never took it serious until a bit. It's not yet too late, but yesterday was better. The other day was better. Last year, 5 years was better. Now, it's the right time for you to start now. It's not hard. As I always tell you, making money online is like any other business. You focus, you start, you do it. So I was asked by my darling Kanse Mami on that I should teach her. And I felt before teaching her, let me make it open even to you, all of you. Because you always come in the comment section, in the inbox, please can you teach me? When you tell someone, please go and check here, they say, no, it's fine, me, I cannot go there. Just tell me, no, you cannot do that. It's not like that. Making money online is not like picking tomatoes in the bush. It's another project altogether. So you have to focus. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, the lady that says I shouldn't hold a smartphone and beg for bread. You guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how like the way you've seen the question, teach me. You guys, with making money online, I might not teach you what you are supposed to do, but I can show you what to do. I give you tips. I tell you, baby girl, do you know you can make money online with your smartphone? There are different ways of making money online. So I encourage somebody, if you want to know where you lie, if you want to know your strength, you visit us on YouTube. Just go to YouTube, put Immaculate Show. You'll check step-by-step videos where you lie. Because making money online is not one method. There are different methods. Now, let's dive in and I give you a highlight of how I make money online. Then on that, you can choose whatever you want to do. Me, I've tested number of ways of making money online. And you can find yourself with having multiple streams of income. So, how do I make money online? Me, I make money online in different ways. So I'm going to give you even the ones that I started with. I did survey all, I tested all, and I left. So one, I started with apps. And these apps, there are different legal free apps that you can start with to make money. These apps don't normally give a lot of money, by now. It's for starters. Because you can find in these apps, maybe you're watching videos, you're watching ads, maybe you're doing surveys, maybe you're doing some tasks, you're doing some mapping. These are apps I started with, but to be in particular, I started with a lot of apps, but I remember the best and simple one up to now. When I have time, I go there and visit this. It is paid work. Here, if you go, like, for example, paid work, I'm not advertising for it. I'm not telling you to go there, but I'm giving you how I started. On paid work, you go there. There are different ways of earning, and it depends on the strength. Like a person who is doing survey cannot be like a person who is watching ads. These are the methods that anyone, whether you're a housewife or you're a stay-at-home mom, maybe you're any person, you're a student, you can go. But I always encourage starters and students. Me, it gave me appetite for making money online. And its requirement, the threshold for withdrawal is very minimal. Before, the payment method was a bit hectic, was a bit strong, but now it is okay because you can use your bank direct, you can use PayPal, you have a choice. You go and look for that app called Paid Work. And there are different ways of making money out of that. You go there. It's fun, by the way. You can do surveys. It depends. Yeah. Then the second one I've used is content creation. Content creation is broad. Most people mistake content creation. Most people think content creation is for young girls. Most people think content creation is for this year. This year, no. They think content creation is talking. No. Content creation is different, wide than you think. And in this content creation, I've used different platforms. I've used Facebook. I'm earning on Facebook. I've used YouTube. I'm earning on YouTube. It has given me a chance. I've earned on TikTok. Then I've also gone as far as earning from, how do I call it? I've gone ahead to make products out of this Facebook and YouTube. For example, books, templates, and that. These are main streams of income. I've gone ahead to make POD. POD, what do you mean by POD? You see like this shirt, but it's a bit upside down. It's written on One True Love. One True Love. I made this myself. So some people, then I made like 3 t-shirts about women and what I made t-shirts, and people made order. So you can measure, and I'm building a platform that I should measure in POD. Then the books, you don't need to struggle. So this is how to make money online. And the best part is you don't need capital. What you need is what you have already. Then there are some people who will ask me, what about affiliate marketing? I've done affiliate marketing. If you want to do affiliate marketing on a wider base, we'll go like to Amazon, we'll go to like ClickShare. There are many platforms for affiliate marketing. You register as an affiliate marketeer. They'll give you a number, then you'll be getting the products you want, then you promote them. You don't need to have a shop. You promote them. The moment people buy through your link, you'll get commission. You will ask me, do I need money? You don't need money. Anything that you see here on the Immaculate Show, we preach use less until you reach a certain level. It's when you know, I can invest here money, I can invest here money. We have different ways. I've earned with cryptocurrency. I've earned with a lot with network marketing. But now I'm giving you something that you don't need to invest in. So if someone comes and says, teach me, it becomes a bit heavier for me, unless you want to come for a master class. A master class, here I will put you down, you will pay, then I'll tell you, do you know what, baby girl, this is this from A up to 0. Then you decide, say, no, now I want to major in cryptocurrency. I want to do mining. Then I say, okay, I can give you someone who will train you on that. Or if you say, no, I want to do content creation, still I will advise and say, content creation on what? What do you need to do? What you're supposed to do? Because most people have come to content creation, they see content creation is putting the camera like I've put and talking. No. Or dancing. After, the results matter. And how to get those results you can get also. in a masterclass, or you go and follow us on YouTube. You guys, just like this